Here's what's inside. Hey guys, today we have Squeezamals Picnic Pack. It's watermelon scented and includes 5 mystery plush. I can't wait to see what's inside this picnic basket. It looks like everything is in clear packaging, so we'll take it out and give you a better look. So here are the 5 Squeezamals. There's a sandwich, an apple juice, a cupcake, and then it looks like there's 2 little blend bags. So here's the little cupcake it comes with. It is so cute. I love the little sprinkles. Next is this yummy looking sandwich. It says 100% delicious. It's even got like lettuce and tomato and some cheese. This is the cutest sandwich I've ever seen. Next, let's look at this apple juice, freshly squeezed. Bear to tear open the box, so I just pulled it out from the bottom. And here's our tiny little apple. Isn't he just the cutest? It's got like a little leaf. And it's got a really nice texture too. I don't know about you, but it's around lunchtime right now. I'm getting a little hungry. Here are Smooshy cookies, raspberry flavored. I really wish that these were resealable. It's so cute that I don't want to open up the packaging. Decided to cut open the top. Oh my goodness. This is not what I was expecting. It's like a cute little ladybug. And last we have our strawberry gummy. Oh, this one's adorable. So tiny and cute. So I got this picnic pack from the US from Target. I believe in Canada there's actually a different set that comes with 4 surprise plush. So definitely check those out too. Thanks for having lunch with me today.